This Walmart is huge. Well, there's Lake Mead in the background there. Hope you can see it. Beautiful drive and sunny out today. Nice. Is the Hoover Dam. I believe I made it here. It's crazy. You can see that white mark where the water level used to be. It's a crazy complex, this. I'm debating whether or not to walk down there. It's far, but maybe the view is incredible. But you would have to walk all the way down. I don't see a public walkway either. It's kind of a bummer. You would have to park in the beginning to walk over there. I don't know. I don't know if I got that. So as it turns out, it is, nice from the parking lot you have to pay to go to. But from the upper two parking lots, you have to walk on this weird gravel path or out in the middle of the road, which is kind of a bummer. And the parking lot that you have to pay for is closed. You can't even get to the area you're supposed to walk to. Maybe I'm just bitchy. What the hell's down here? Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. It's like a mega spillway. It's huge. Hey! Quite the echo. There's Lake Mead. Now I've showed you pictures of Lake Mead from one side, all the way at the beginning, and now all the way at the end where the dam is. It's a pretty immensely long lake, really. I'm kind of amazed by it in that regard. It's huge. It's too bad that, we've let it empty out so much. I guess 200 feet. It's a pretty amazing structure, though. It's one of those man-made structures that, as an American citizen, you can kind of be proud of. Or not kind of, you can be. It's a beautiful structure that the United States made, creating a beautiful lake here in this Grand Canyon-esque setting. This bridge is incredible for 93. I almost thought about driving across it and then trying to take video, but I don't think it would be worthwhile. And then, coming back from the west side back to here. Thing is very deep. Pretty incredible. I guess I'll walk across it. There might be a visitors center over there. And maybe over there too. We'll see. I don't want to spend too much time here. I still got to go to Walmart and then figure out a place to camp on the other side of Las Vegas. That's still pretty early, so we'll make it happen. Canyon West had a pretty good view coming out, but here we are at Hoover Dam. Let's see, coming out of the Hoover Dam bathroom, you get to look now at the Colorado River and the bridge. A pretty excellent view coming out of that bathroom as well. Ooh. Oh. What?